Hello guys, welcome back to VLearn channel. This is Arvind. So after putting couple of months of efforts, I have created beautiful content on data science and AI topic. So content is almost ready to publish, and it will be published in coming days, like 1 or 2 weeks. This is just an introductory video on topic that covers. So in this series, all the videos are like short videos of 5 to 10 minutes on each topic. So it will start from Python language, basics and advanced, and NumPy, Panda libraries, data visualization using MATLAB and other libraries, statistics, machine learning, but also usage of development IDE like VS Code and Jupyter Notebook, and many more. So for this exit